Daddy, I can't more than 2 months now the road there, asphalt. I mean observe the whole light a sink.
Whole light a dig up.
Yeah, so I said to myself there.
They want to dig out.
And I need that, so what? They never pack the surface properly or what?
No.
Tell the world your name. Alexia. Alexia, you have a beautiful name. Yeah, and what you want to be when you grow up, Alexia? An architect. I say, I remember the last time I showed you the part of the urgent where I sink. Yeah. You see that, people? You see that? You see that? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big Super there. Basically at the intersection Lower Retreat and Johnstown Crossing. Yeah, time and temperature check. 7:51 in the morning. June the 15th, 2023, people. I don't know, say yesterday Big Super celebrating Earth Strong. Yeah. So this morning we're there at Johnstown Crossing and we're gonna walk. And we're gonna walk and head to Lyssons, people. Because some of the residents them call me and then say them see the road that deteriorate and are not even 2 months good. So stick and stay. So my viewers and sub, the residents them say, Big Super, why you come and take a look on the roadway, because less now rain, no good rain no fall, and then notice that the road are washed already. So they say, oh that. So me just have to take a walk and take a look down on Johnstown Crossing. Yeah. I'm heading in the direction of Lyssons because there's another problem out here that I want to see. So the surface of the road, a wave, like it has developed a wave. Morning, the surface of the road I developed a wave like it a sink. And you know, say them road here, a road where a lot of heavy unit traverse on. So you have to kind of pack the road properly. Hope you can see the sign, people. Big Super. They are Johnstown Crossing. And if you go Golden Shore, you go up that road there. But right now, we are walk along the road and we are look at the surface of the road here, and we don't like what we see. Daddy, I can't more than 2 months now the road there, asphalt. I mean observe the whole light a sink.
Whole light a dig up.
Yeah, so I said to myself there.
They want to dig out.
And I need that, so what? They never pack the surface properly or what?
No. They want to dig out and then
the clear underneath the ground want dig out before them lay the stone them. Yeah. Boy, may I tell you. Alright. Or we come up.
Yeah.
Alright. Some of viewers, we just talk to an elderly gentleman. That's why we walk over it here. And the man say, it's a hurry come up job. Yeah, the whole of the road is sink up. And everything on the road take time and it deteriorate. I remember, I don't even think 2 months good now that road I do. So I don't understand my viewers and sub. Just don't understand what really happened with the road surface already. But my viewers and sub, some of me subscriber them find out. Some of my subscriber them point out to me, say them here, and me call them the two cousins. I don't know who me attack already. Then hear the two cousins them. The whole of them so sink up in watch a man. Blow, wow. The whole of the surface down there, so look on it. It's full of wave. It's full of wave. Watch it. My lord. Yes, so some of the my viewers them and some of my subscribers them inbox me and say, Big Super, we hear the two cousins. Them are leak out from bloggers. Yeah. Them are say bloggers. Basically them are say bloggers are exposed. But they don't want the world to see. Basically that them, yeah. Basically that them are say. So the bloggers them in St. Thomas. Well, we have over 50 odd bloggers in St. Thomas. Me can think of. Yeah. And everybody know in St. Thomas the road is viral. Yeah. Them know so the road viral. My viewers and sub. Them know so the road viral. And once you have something viral, the bloggers them are going to take it on. So the whole of that stretch of road there, when I walk on, you see, go as far as to Jerk Center and maybe more. The whole of it. If you should have get maybe one day of rain, because you can see the whole of the underneath the asphalt are exposed, and you can see it. Let me draw it up closer that you can see it. And you can take a close-up look for yourself. I mean, I want to say a Big Super. I make up the story them. I want to see it for yourself. And you can see it for yourself. The whole of it a peel off. I don't even think it do. You can correct me. But I don't think it reached. Alright. I don't think it reached 2-3 months good. Since this a piece of road I paved. And the whole of it I think they peel off. So as the gen command when I talk to a while ago, the elderly gen command, him says a hurry, come up thing. And viewers and sub who live on this earth at a certain age, live a certain time in period, them know what it means when they say hurry, come up. Yeah. Something we done overnight, you know, in a years, and not take time to do properly. So, my viewers and sub, so I'll go on by the next side of the road. So, the whole of the asphalt, my viewers and sub, the whole of the asphalt down in that area, a peel off and thing. And you know, say, a lot of heavy unit traverse on the road there daily. And St. Thomas maybe have the most truck in Jamaica with traverse through any parish. So you see that section, you see that section of people, it just are showing it almost peel off right in the vicinity of the jerk. See the jerk center there. So right in the vicinity of the jerk center, you have to call it the road basically gone back to zero. Speak the people. So when you hear the two cousins them I complain, say they don't like bloggers. They must know, they know why they don't like bloggers, you know. Because a blogger exposed but they don't want the world to see. Especially in a places like St. Thomas, where you don't really have no media. So we have over some 50 odd bloggers out here. And who not drive, a walk, and who not walk, a fly, them drone. The viewers and sub who now walk a fly them drone. So them know why they don't like bloggers. Some viewers, you see how that section of road they look from Johnstone crossing right at the intersection where Lower Retreat come all the way to the jerk center. Right there so is a kind of sink, which is a kind of gully. And if you don't make no preparation to take off the water, and if you don't put on the right material underneath the asphalt, before. Wow. You're gonna put the right material and I need the asphalt. Alright. Before you put on the asphalt, my viewers and sub, you're going to have problem. Trust me. You're going to have problem if you don't do it the right and proper way. Some viewers and sub, I'm not going to say what I go on out that side there. I'm there with one of my residents, one of the licensed residents.
Yeah, man, a license.
Yeah, and she tell me such a glad how the road paved because it take off the dust. It take off most of the dust off of your mommy.
Yeah, man, half highway, man.
Alright. And thing. I just say what you say, I just say the whole pack grabber.
Yeah, when they left in the yard and you know, they unfinished work. They have a lot of unfinished work here.
Okay.
But we still give thanks to whatsoever they do and God left it.
Alright.
I just eat that.
Yeah
man, I praises, man.
Alright, more blessings.
Yeah, man, more blessings, man.
Was and sub, me there up on the Lyssons road I walk and me come across them stealer, them whole up a stealer were pointed out right at the roadside there. And I say, look how long they left them stealer and a piece of board there. Right there. So suppose any little child walk past, you know, in that vicinity and should have fell. I don't know. Pull up the comment section and make me know people what you think. Big super is on the road here. So you see we are come right down in the vicinity where the Lyssons post office is. We have a school in the vicinity here. And we have a pedestrian crossing in the vicinity here. And right in the vicinity here, the vehicle them have to basically crawl because the work incomplete right in this section here. And you see when rain fall, you have to drive at 0 miles an hour when rain fall in the vicinity here. My viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. When rain fall. Right here, so I see the kids them. And I said to the taxi drivers them, when you can't stop at the corner there and let off. You have to clear the corner. I want to know that by law too. Big super stand up here and I tell you now. So right in the vicinity of the corner, when you know the corner down here when you always stop and let off. You can't stop in that vicinity there. So you have a bus stop down there, so you have a whole heap of place down there to stop. And you always, when you see the road out there so impossible, and you still come and stop right in this vicinity. Here with a beautiful young lady this morning, my viewers, and as you can see, I'm still there in the Lyssons community, and I see her walking on the road. And alright, peace. Take care, bye. Alright, see Alex and the people. And she need a job, people, so I ask her, please and thanks, make sure she get a job for her summer. So, my viewers and sub, big super, still there. A Lyssons, yeah. And I go down at Lyssons Beach, where I go end the vlog. So, my viewers and sub, me there in the vicinity at the urgent. Where I'm going to end the vlog. But right here I'm going to end the vlog. I'm going to pause, I'm going to put my camera right now in position where you can see, you remember the last time I showed you the part of the urgent where I sink. So I'm going to pause on the side there and make you see that area I sink more and more. So, I wait to see if I see 2 vehicles pass, people. Because when 2 vehicles pass, then you can definitely see exactly what I talk about. I want to tell me if it will get better or the urgent I get more serious. So I just wait for see 2 vehicles pass people. When 2 vehicles pass, yeah. You see that people, you see that? You see that? Well, I'm gonna make on see the next 2 vehicles pass urgent. When 2 vehicles pass, you know, it forces one of the vehicles them to come over where they sink there. You see that people? So the sink I get deeper. Now remember them vehicles that we are pass at the moment. Them a light vehicle. Them on a heavy unit. And you know a lot of trucks traverse that area people. A lot of heavy truck traverse that area. Right in front of the Lyssons beach. My viewers and sub, like, share, subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Yeah, see the people, you see it? You see it people? Like up my video them. You understand? Do the right thing. Donate to my channel by going down to the PayPal or the link. Or even WhatsApp me and call me. For now, Big Super on the road out in Lyssons. Saying drive safe. And remember, St.Thomas people, Alexia, she need a job for her summer. And a very few kids me here say they want to be an architect. I think she said she want to be an architect. So I'm going to help her get something for her summer. Peace out.